What's going on YouTube? I have a real quick answer. I want to answer someone. Well, it was a question somebody asked on a forum that I want to answer and help some people out. Why do people think making YouTube videos is easy money? Why do people think that way? I think because YouTubers online, with the traffic they get and the money they make, and the video content is very easy to do, and they think it's easy, but it's not. Um, it's not easy because you got to create the content, you got to think what content works, think the content, write the content out, plan your content, and you got to edit the videos and do all type of stuff as well. And with the political, with the no, sorry, I'll take that back. With the PC way on YouTube, you can't go to adult, but you can't do to kid. You gotta go stay right down the middle. Makes it harder. With the copper laws coming out as well, those people who were doing kid type videos was, you know, were making money. Now, there'll be less ads on their channels with the copper law. So you can't have two kid videos, and you can't be too adult. So back then, maybe 5 years ago, yeah, it was easy because YouTube didn't care what you were doing. But now, with the federal government regulating some stuff, it's a little bit harder. So I had to go through my videos, and I had my son videos as well up here. I had my son playing around in some videos I put on YouTube, and I wasn't targeting kids. I was just have my son on videos. I have it, as a place to store his videos too, other than my storage, my hard drive. But it's hard to make YouTube videos nowadays. Everything's oversaturated, and you get unicorns. And once in a while, I say unicorn, somebody who does YouTube in 3 4 months and they have 3,000 subscribers. That happens, but to very few people. You got to face 1 billion people on the planet, and half of them got YouTube channels. So sometimes it don't work out for the best. So I made $185.35, which is pretty cool. I remember last year I was making nothing on YouTube, and every month has gone up, which is nice. This little $185 is some pocket money. I mean, I might pay the phone bill and that's it with it, but it's not easy. It is not easy. And then not only you have to create content, you have to keep creating content. You got to keep putting content, keep your audience engaged all the time. So it's not easy. It's easy to set up. I mean, you start a channel for free, use your cell phone. I use Filmora to edit my videos. There's free editing software on your laptop already built in. You can create your channel and make some money, but you have to keep on doing it. You have to follow your passion, and it's not easy. Especially when YouTube demonetizes your video and you do nothing wrong. Or some of my videos, they flag my videos for being dangerous content, which is crazy to me because my content is not dangerous at all. So this saying is dangerous, and I do like Kodi builds, I do like Fire Stick, and downloading apps to the Fire Stick. Man, that act is harmful and dangerous, but they deem my videos harmful and dangerous and demonetize the video and delete the video and give me a strike. You get a strike on anything, and it's harder and harder on YouTube versus back in the day. And then they're watching everything you do, so it's not easy. It takes time and patience, and you have to. And it's hard for someone who has a full-time job with kids at home. It's hard to do YouTube videos. It's hard. So I took advantage of my circumstances. I took advantage of time I have to the fullest and make content. So yeah, it's not easy. It's not. It's not gonna be easy. If you start a brand new channel now, plan on your videos. I mean, create content, make videos. But don't think it's easy money, because you gotta get 1,000 subscribers, and that's not easy to do. It's not easy. Some people it is. Some people it ain't. I'm just saying. And I bought me a webcam. I bought me a better laptop for videos. I shoot videos all the time, helping people out. I don't get a lot of views on my videos, but that's okay. So that's it for my video. Just keep in mind, it's not easy. I have over 800 videos on my channel. It took me 4 to 5 years to get a YouTube partner. That's a long time to wait, but I finally made it. So don't think it's easy. It's not easy. Keep creating content, keep working hard, and you'll get there. My name is Ty with xking.com. Thanks for watching.